This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove VW Beetle steering wheel. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and waiting 5 minutes to disable the airbag. Next, remove the horn pad or airbag module and unplug electrical connectors carefully. Mark the steering wheel alignment before loosening the central nut. Use a proper steering wheel puller to remove the wheel without damage. Keep parts organized for an easy reinstall later. Begin by confirming the battery has been disconnected and the system is inert before touching the airbag. Remove the fasteners securing the horn pad or airbag module and lift the module out slowly. Carefully unplug the electrical connectors and set the module on a soft surface with the pad facing upward. Keep screws and small parts in a labeled container to avoid confusion later. Work calmly and follow proper safety handling until reinstall. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker makes a great workshop companion for timers, music, and hands-free instructions, and it pairs nicely with busy garage work. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. It can add fun and convenience while you work. Now let's get back to the video. With the airbag removed and the wheel marked for alignment, loosen the central nut and thread it back a few turns to protect the threads during pulling. Attach the steering wheel puller to the wheel evenly and apply steady pressure until the wheel pops free. Remove the nut and lift the wheel straight off the splines, keeping hands clear of any sharp edges. Inspect splines and components for damage and keep the hub area clean for reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.